What is the Storage Area Network, SAN? A Storage Area Network, SAN, is a specialized, high-speed network that provides block-level access to storage devices. Storage SANs are designed to offer centralized storage resources, often in large-scale data centers, where multiple servers can access storage devices, like hard drives or tape libraries, over a dedicated network infrastructure. Sanctions enable better performance, scalability, and redundancy for applications requiring large-scale, high-performance storage. The availability and accessibility of storage are critical concerns for enterprise computing. SAN technology addresses advanced enterprise storage demands by providing a separate, dedicated, highly scalable high-performance network designed to interconnect a multitude of servers to an array of storage devices. The storage can then be organized and managed as cohesive pools or tiers. A SAN enables an organization to treat storage as a single collective resource that can also be centrally replicated and protected, while additional technologies, such as data deduplication and RAID, can optimize storage capacity and vastly improve storage resilience compared to traditional direct attached storage, DAS. SAN is essentially a network fabric of interconnected computers and storage devices. A disruption in one network path can usually be overcome by enabling an alternative path through the SAN fabric. Thus, a single cable or device failure doesn't leave storage inaccessible to enterprise.